let's get started with what we have today. What happened yesterday? Did we close flat? Yeah, we basically closed flat yesterday. We had a nice long spot though. Long entry was quite nice. Looks like we're still in yesterday's range. I think we'll probably continue to be in previous day's range for a Friday.
I think so. I don't think we're gonna count that out. Honestly, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, weekly move did get bought up pretty nice though. Maybe we could see a little bit more upside. A close above like 689 on SPY would probably invalidate downside for me, I think. 690 maybe. I still want us to 700 overall, and I feel like I could possibly still take a swing entry for upside. I think it's still possible to do that. I think it'll probably just be a shorter expiration or something like that if I was to do options. Look at Q's. Yeah, Q's is, you could see it's right back in the range here. Although it's technically still at the retest. But I mean, no, I would actually say this is still holding. Even though we had a higher low right here that we broke down from, we still never really lost the 611 structure right here, which is kind of more of a flat range. So I would honestly say this is still holding inside structure. So what are we at right now? 618. Yeah, kind of like a close basically we're above where we're at right now would be kind of a nice hold on the bigger time frame, I think. But yeah, I guess on a daily, the higher low looks a lot better for the break and retest. So yeah, probably a break for upside would have to be above like 625, I'd say. Yeah, basically the same areas we were looking at, but
Yeah,
it doesn't look terrible. I'll say that.
we just follow. I mean, for the week, it's honestly just been following trends. Other than I think like Monday. No, it's definitely been a week of trends.
Yeah, we had a gap down over the weekend, I think. Pretty big
Yeah,
gap down over the weekend with tariff news. 19th, or no, Monday was closed. Tuesday we opened from the gap down and
yeah.
then into the breakout. But all we did was just get the retest so far for, was it Wednesday and yesterday we kind of just pulled back up and got a retest. So I guess we might see a move over the weekend maybe if we actually,
Breakthrough.
yeah, if we break through, maybe we might see a move over. If not, it'll be next week for sure. But yeah, we'll probably need to continue to use our levels here. So if we actually probably get back below 618, we'll look for more downside again. Then above 625, 630, we'll look for all-time high push. I'm kind of leaning a little bit more towards all-time high, at least for me, but
The buy up was pretty high because we were pretty much right there on the level of liquidity that you have
yeah,
pulled up. And for us to be bought up that quickly, I mean, I think we're gonna get the overnight high or all time high.
yeah, we did fill the gaps. We filled basically all the gaps from that gap down move we had over the weekend.
Mm-hmm.
So that's all done. We're retesting right now, but yeah, a hold above 618 would have to be what we have to see for this week's close.
We will see.
But I think overall tickers still look decent. They're kind of in an air of support that I like. Like Apple's kind of in a nice spot. We broke down really nicely from that head and shoulders. We're watching fill downside imbalance. Yeah, kind of just had a nice area for me. I kind of like the spot. Yeah, even on the weekly, it's a nice area. Maybe we could go down to 234. That's also not a bad spot as well. Maybe I should mark that down. Something like that. 234 is also kind of nice. Or 230, 230, 234, something like that. That's kind of a nice area as well. Although that'll be kind of a deep retracement. We already retraced about $40 from all-time high. So I would be surprised if we actually just continue to pull this and not even get a small retest on this level here. I think Microsoft might be the only one I still kind of like a little bit lower. Actually, maybe not. No, maybe not actually. Yeah, we're kind of in my long area. Maybe we could go a little bit lower if I was being picky, but overall, this isn't a bad spot here. It's just a bit wide, which is the only problem here. So, like 440 to like 425 is kind of like my buy area. Although we have this pretty large imbalance that's sitting below us on the weekly. But besides that, so far, the weekly candle is getting bought up there from when we open, but yeah, it looks like we're just in range here as well. Maybe earnings will be our catalyst. We have earnings next week, so that might be what we're waiting for to initiate some type of breakout. Daily looks like a lower high. Lower high, and then we broke out during the overnight session today. We're kind of coming back in this structure though. So let's see if we actually decide to hold this overnight low where we're sitting at right now. Otherwise, if we actually get below here, it'll probably be a failed breakout on the daily. And then just continue to do a lower low again. Google is still sitting in the daily GP, which I don't really like. It's sitting at what, 330 right now? 331. So it is rejecting that GP. So I'm not the biggest fan of that. Although the 4 hour is kind of flagging here, actually. Maybe it's not that bad. But we're definitely setting up for a breakout here soon. Will there be up or downside? Obviously, if we clear above like 335, we'll probably look for all-time high again. But I probably would stay short on this until we get above 335. As we're still sitting in a GP, about 4 hour imbalance, and then we have some liquidity to actually take out. So maybe we could see upside actually. 4 hour liquidity at 336 and an imbalance here as well. Kind of a nice area. Then Nvidia here. Still holding this head and shoulder structure. Not really sure if this is going to break down for real or not. I guess we're kind of in the same boat as was it like Apple or whatever we were looking at earlier. Need to wait for a break of the levels here. So with Nvidia, it's probably below 174, and then I guess above 190, 191 for a break for higher. I kind of still want to back up to 200. We only got one real retest in the 200, but I feel like we could get one more. I'm not really sure if this structure actually is going to break down or not. Only because we've kind of been holding this area pretty nicely. And so far, it kind of looks like a failed breakdown here. Oh no, no, not really a failed breakdown. We did break down. We came down into support, but got some buying there that came in. So yeah, I guess above 190 would be our pull higher for probably 200, I guess. Overall, just still range bound really then for right now. Mm, we had a big gap up here. What is this? It's a big candle. Now we're flagging. Maybe we could see a pop off to open. We're kind of near that 190 area. Maybe we'll see a breakout or a start of a breakout today. 5 minute lower high, kind of flagging above previous hive day there. Doesn't look terrible. Mm. Yeah, I still also want to add Netflix to the long-term port as well. I kind of like the area still. 83 isn't bad. 80 was a little bit nicer, but 83 isn't terrible. So I think I might do that today, actually.
There's too many long-term positions when I'm poor. What is this?
You gotta wait for the opportunity to present itself, and then when it comes, we'll take it. It
When I
might be
want to
a
spend
lot of waiting, but
when I want to spend like $3,000 on something that's not retarded, I can. But when I don't have $3,000 just to drop, I can't.
yeah, that's how it is. That's how it
I'm
is.
gonna, I'm gonna text Philip and ask for $3,000 so I could put into every single position that you asked that you added on recently. So he says.
Yeah, I don't mind Netflix at 83. I really should have just bought it right after its earnings, but I kind of forgot. I was being a little picky. I really wanted that 80 entry, but I doubt I'm gonna get it.
80 entries, what, 2 days ago?
Yeah, after its earnings. Earnings gap down, and then it just ripped right after that.
Let's take a position on Netflix today instead of NQ.
Yeah, I think I will add this today at the open. Not gonna be too picky about $2. Because I,
Although that $2 really isn't going to be $2. That $2 for you is going to be like 70,000.
oh, yeah, I think with the retracement, if we actually do hold this 80 area, kind of like this up to like 90 or to 100 bucks again. I don't think it's bad. Yeah, 96 to like $100 doesn't look terrible to me for a retracement. This is definitely a nice area for me though. I'll say, yeah, I'll take a buy today. Wait, what is WB? Warner Brothers or whatever? The Warner Bros? Is that what it is? When you say WB? Oh. And you think it'll go lower? If anything, I would think it'd go up because they're buying them out, right? Why do you think it'll
That's
go down?
because I'm always bearish.
Oh.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Sorry, I didn't listen.
Is that Philip? Speaking of the devil,
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a small loan of like $10,000 so I can invest in all the long term that Alex is putting in recently.
But Alex has a lot more money than me. I don't know who said Nikolai only 3,000. Can you please filthy rich? Didn't I complain that I had no money to April? Man, man, I've been the poorest guy probably here.
You're right. Let me ask Alex. What the fuck?
Yeah.
I
Don't come
usually
for me, bro.
I
I'm
usually
broke.
pick Alex for everything, so I'm like, let me change it
Yeah,
up. Let me ask someone else today.
yeah.
Said a small loan of $1 million.
Nah, that's too
Small,
greedy. I don't need
small.
a million.
Small loan of $1 million.
That's slightly more than my full everything for me. So small for you, bro.
No,
My
I hadn't even spent that much money before. I
In
spent
one
on
transaction?
taxes.
Jesus.
Taxes.
Fuck.
that's a uh, cool thing though. Paying that much in taxes, kind of.
No, not cool. It's not cool.
Plus you taxes.
Even me crying when I pay my taxes. It's a good thing overall, though. It's a good thing,
Well, our
right?
taxes don't really go to shit. That's the problem. Have you seen our roads? They're terrible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pay for nothing.
And our schools are god awful.
I should have
Oh,
just paid someone
ours
to
are
fix it
good.
myself.
Oh,
Fix the streets and
my
stuff.
ours is kind of good in Sweden, honestly. It's decent. Free healthcare,
Oh, our
but
healthcare is
our taxes,
expensive.
yeah, but our taxes is higher than you guys, so that's why.
Mm.
Yeah, insane.
Alright, ears open.
Yeah, I'm not trading. I'm gonna go in like 15, 20 minutes.
Oh, cool.
I just
We'll be
bye.
done by then.
Oh, really?
I don't know. I hope so.
Oh, maybe I should take.
Take it on your phone.
No, I'm making food for my kid before we go to the dentist.
I blew my exercise till like
Eating before the dentist is kind of
I was gonna
crazy.
say eating before the dentist. I've never heard that. I usually don't eat anything before the dentist.
Yeah, but it's like 50 minutes to the dentist, so he can brush his teeth after he has eaten.
I
Yeah.
say let him starve. Let him starve.
Yeah, but my guy is 10 years old, bro. You're
10
like
years.
you're like 50.
Man,
This is
he
not
ate
the same
yesterday.
thing.
He's good, Philip. He'll be good.
Yeah. The dentist has to work for his money.
Yeah, true.
It's funny. kind of popped up here. Nice strength across tickers, and Netflix already ripped. It's already going. I didn't even get to buy it yet. Wait.
Oh no. Maybe we should have traded
Already
Netflix, like I
ripped a
said.
dollar from the open. Now we'll wait again. The longer I wait, the higher it's gonna go. Should take it.
Am I hearing some FOMO? No,
Maybe.
kidding. Oh my god, what is this strength?
Jesus.
Lyckas?
Almost $2 on the
Du måste borsta tänderna sen också. Så du har typ en kvart på dig att äta Gibbe. Okej?
We
When
have
did you
data
get
today.
here?
Oh, we do have data today. Oh, we have 9:45 PMI. Guess we're
Did you miss
forced to
that?
wait. We're forced to wait today. 9:45 PMI and consumer sentiment at 10. It's unfortunate. Oh well.
That's a volatile
Yes, it is.
move up and down. Wow.
Yes, it is.
So I will not be here on Monday either. Just saying.
Yep.
I got the time I have interview and it's 10 minutes before we start trading, and then I have 2-hour drive, so not a chance. It's sad, but that's how it is.
What happened with Intel? So oh, earnings. Oh.
I will miss you, Philip.
No, it's fine. It's fine. As long as Alex is here, you don't care.
Not that. It's Alex is here too, but you keep talking, so which we really
Keep us
like.
entertained.
So yeah.
Our only form of entertainment.
Is it me? Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
No. Congrats on that payout, Philip.
Oh, nice.
Mike.
I have gotten like 11.4, and I think total will be 14K. I'm waiting for 2 more to come in. It's
Very
nice. It's nice. I just wanted to not showcase the payout. I wanted to showcase the size I have been doing to get those payouts.
Yep.
3 and 4 M&Q eval, and then the funded stage. So with good risk management, you could get some nice payouts anyway.
Yep.
Yeah.
You don't need a lot.
Yeah.
Slow and steady.
Yeah.
All
I'm
we
gonna
got.
be honest though, 3 and 4 M&Q feels more than slow.
Alright though.
It's almost hard for me. Also.
If you look at all of them put together, it looks okay though.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So that's what you gotta focus on. Put all of them together. It looks okay. That's like what, 40 for NASDAQ? Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, 3 or 4 NASDAQ is quite decent. It's actually a lot. It's like trading aggressive sizing or more than aggressive sizing on like a 250K account. Well, I guess 10 accounts is like what, 500K in capital, so makes sense.
Yep. Yeah.
Hey Alex, can you tag me in the, or can somebody tag me in the one screenshot where it shows like all the amounts for trading, like NQ position, like how much that is, and then how much S&P is, et cetera, et cetera.
Oh, that's in
What's it in?
futures tab. The futures tab, if you go all the way up, there's a chart.
Future signal tradings or future trading signals?
No. Oh, prop firm trading. Prop firm trading and go all the way up to the top. There's a
Okay, thank you.
chart. Or somewhere near the top.
I got it. Thank you.
Happy Friday, buddy.
Oh, we can't hear you, Nicola.
Is it bad?
It's all right. You're a little
I'm,
muffled.
I'm at I'm at work, so it's like very noisy behind me as well. So.
I don't hear any of your background noise. I just can't hear you. That's it. It's all right.
I'll just be quiet and listen to you guys' beautiful voices.
Yeah, you'll be watching today anyways, so. Wow, Netflix already at 85.
I woke up at 1 a.m. I had to pee and I looked out.
Looks like we might try and sell this here. I don't really like the way tickers are setting up. We're mainly spying keys. It looks like we're gonna try and pull this a bit lower. We opened quite low. We opened near previous low of day. That's just slightly below us here, so if we sell this, that's probably where we're headed towards. Overnight low, previous low of day. I probably will be waiting for data, so 10 o'clock most likely. Unless we could find something after 9:45 PMI, but we have data in 5 minutes here.
Yeah.
Yeah, next week is pretty big earnings as well. We have Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, Apple next week. Post calendar.
I like the buying on Nasdaq's contracts here overall on this low here. I am not watching tickers though, so
Yeah, I don't like
a bit
tickers
bland.
really. They're okay, I guess. Apple's selling. Nvidia's trying to sell, but this would be a retest of the 5-minute breakout here. So it depends how we close on a 5. Google looks
I see
decent.
this 570 is supply still, right? We pumped up, sold it. Oh, what is the strength here? Oh, it was Nvidia mostly. A bit. If we lose 570, we should see liquidity on the overnight low there. Here, this is supply for me. It looks like they want to sell it though, for the time being. But
Yeah.
yeah, data PPI data in 6 minutes, and then 10 a.m. data also. I think that was not.
Yeah, once again, I'll still be on 10 contracts, so 2/3 sizing. I don't
I'm
have to,
gonna
but good.
I'm gonna say also that maybe 14k payout total is only from 50k. So all my 150ks are not in payout range yet. They are like up 6k or so in profit. So I need 3 more k, but they would produce around 25k in payouts if I get them to 9k.
Nice, very nice.
Yeah, so quite decent. Uh,
Holding the lows right now, but
yeah, 570 supply. There's just some buying here on the Nasdaq contracts. The CVD on MQ is not that strong, but Nasdaq is quite strong here
yeah, this
actually.
would kind of be your long spot based on.
Yeah,
It's not
yeah,
terrible.
I like the 570. Uh, I don't dislike tickers now either. Tesla a bit and Apple, but I have supply on Apple 245 almost there.
Yeah, that's where I have it as
Also,
well.
yeah,
245. Nvidia is holding that retest, broke out, retested support there. Got bought.
yeah. I
Google,
like this.
Microsoft looks good.
Yeah, I like this 30-minute to close to 683. Not this 30-minute, but the direction here if we overcome this
Yeah,
uh, level here.
I think
I like
yeah,
680.
above 630. Yeah, looks good for
Yeah.
me.
That
680.
would be test of the breakdown there on the pre-market, which I like on the 30-minute.
Yeah,
Even
on
if
the
we,
hourly we have the imbalance above up to 680, and then
yeah, it's the same. It's
yeah.
it's the test of the Fed the breakdown.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, so they're increasing here on Nasdaq. I think it looks really good here actually. I like that 570 long, by the way.
Yeah, I did too.
Yeah.
That's the reversal long at
Yeah.
support.
Yeah. Yeah, because the stop could be at 545, 550 there.
Mm-hmm.
Quite tight actually. Because any lower you will see overnight low.
Yeah, that'll in a couple of minutes though, unfortunately. Yeah, Apple should be able to pull into this 245 level.
Sad to miss trading. I never miss trading.
It's alright. It's only Friday. It's a
And
Friday
Monday.
anyways. Yeah, well Monday is we'll see if I have power or not. I should have power. Hopefully. That's right, long vacation. Long
Yeah.
weekend's always nice. At least we're getting a foot of snow though. That's what I'm 16 to 19 it says now. So it's still above 12 inches, which I'm happy about. Happy
Yeah.
but not happy about that.
Fun. My kid will love it. Mm. Honestly, we had time on that long to take that, I
Yeah,
think.
we
I
actually
should.
did.
Uh,
Well, 5 minutes. We had one 5 minute candle and that was it. So we had to see direct buying immediately. It was
yeah.
a little risky.
Yeah, it was risky. Could just hold there into data and then you saw explosive move up or down. That supply, but some buying quite aggressively there. I like ES here. This is range high technically though, but Nvidia looks quite good here. Google looks good, I
Yeah, I'm just trying
think.
to see if I could get an entry here. 620 isn't terrible. Yeah, 600 stop is too tight here. I don't think I could take that.
No, I think we want to enter at 600 and we will look for overnight high 650 for
Yeah,
50 point long with 30 point stop there.
yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I do like tickers here. They should have room. Maybe I should just take it here. Unless this does get sold at resistance. This is
Yeah, it's
technically
possible.
resistance.
Yeah.
The upper end of the range.
Is the VWAP 630 resistance? 5670 is supply, 630 is resistance. And I sold it actually. Yeah.
Okay, I'm long here. 97 entry. That's quite decent. Long here, 97. 30-point stop, most likely. Seven. Yeah.
Is it stop at the new low then? No,
No,
it's
no, no.
67.
7. 7.
They sold it quite heavy there, though.
Yeah, let's see if this 5-minute candle gets bought. That's what I want to really see. This is the retest into, I guess, kind of view up there a little bit. But
They kind of wanted it to buy the 600 though, right? Not to
yeah,
that candle
yeah.
there.
Well, I guess the 1-minute imbalance. I kind of missed that there actually. We
Yeah.
back tested, filled the 1-minute imbalance. So we'd have to hold here. Get some buying.
Yeah. And Nvidia sold that. We also. Google. Apple went to supply, didn't see buying. Surprise, I really like that to hold at 600 and go for 650.
Still has time on the close. I think Apple's leading this push up. Yeah, the long entry in that imbalance would have actually been better. A lot better. Couple seconds early, maybe. It's alright though. Yeah, SPY kind of sold out there a little bit. I don't really like that. That Q's kind of looks okay still. Although SPY's at the lower end of the range, so it still could get bought and just continue to come back, retest VWAP there. I am a
Don't
little
see
bit
the.
worried about data.
Yeah. I'm not really. Oh, yeah, we have 10 a.m. data also, right? I'm not in this, but Nvidia I need to pick up here,
Yep.
I think.
I think it looks okay. I think it looks okay for me.
It looks
Higher
fine.
low on the
Apple has
5-minute.
supply. Yeah.
I might trim this at VWAP. So like 18, 19 or so. Yeah. Maybe take half here. Yeah. Alright, I'm out half. Maybe. Actually, I'm gonna take 2 more. Not most, about 7. Okay. Alright. Now I'm okay.
Well done.
Quick little scalp.
Yeah.
Got a pretty good exit there. 22 and 27.
Did you make money when I'm not here? Oh, when I'm
No,
not trading?
never.
We need to talk about that, Alex. Nice, nice. I think this has still room to 650, but you have that in 8 minutes.
Yeah,
And
that's what I want to cover
probably
for.
not. Yeah, yeah. I think it's fine. But that was decent points. Still 1R. No.
No, more than
Oh,
1 hour.
yeah. Did you take? Did you take? How much did you take off? Half?
Well, I'm out a little over half.
Oh, okay.
2/3.
Just my little monthly salary on that first trim.
Very nice. Very nice.
You need to stop having so low monthly salary, Nikolai. You need to have that in 1 minute of work, like
Isn't
FBSOs.
it? Isn't that kind of crazy though? Like that is actually crazy.
And you wonder why trading is lucrative. Like even if you have a regular work, why should you not trade if you can become like that, right? It's by far the most lucrative part-time job
Like
you could ever have, honestly.
two
As the
two
ceiling
minutes,
is
2 minutes, and you're just like, yeah, just a little monthly salary.
yeah, yeah.
That's crazy. And I've been here since 6:30. It's 6:30 a.m. It's 4 p.m. now,
Hmm.
and I'm gonna go home. And I made today maybe 150 bucks, maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's
that's how it
crazy.
is.
I have B stops on, by the way. I'm not gonna let this
Yeah.
flip. I'm gonna
Yeah,
end
be
the week
careful
like
with
this.
data.
Yeah. If we get one more pop right before data, I'll probably just take it.
Okay, I need to go to the dentist now.
Alright.
Well done, Alex.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe if I logged into my accounts, I actually could have
Yeah,
traded
you
that.
probably could have gotten. I was gonna say that. Sorry.
I didn't want to pressure it, I need to go. Oh my god, I don't
Yeah.
want to sit in that position. Yeah. Okay, see you guys on Tuesday. Bye bye.
See you. Yeah, I have B stops on here. We have data in kind of 5 minutes. I might take this off here though. You get one last pull. Just take the remaining 3 contracts and then we'll call it a day. Yeah, 32 here. It's not bad.
Alex, what's exit?
Exit. Real exit is probably 680. 680 is
680?
actual exit. Yeah, is what I'm looking for with this drive up. But we have data really soon, so I don't know if we're probably not gonna get there. I
I
think we
don't think
can
so.
get there for this upside pull, just not within the 5 minutes, obviously. Maybe I'll hold through data. I have B
Oh,
stops
dude,
on right now.
data. What the hell?
Well, not for you guys. You guys probably
Alex
can't.
trading through data?
I've done it before with half size or lower size. Won't complain about it. There's 33 right there. That's also not bad. I might just hold one maybe through data. See if we get like a 70 point, 100 pointer off a single contract maybe. Yeah, okay. Alright. I took more off right there.
I'm full exit.
Yeah, actually, no, I'm taking full exit. No, I'm all out.
Yeah.
I'm all out.
Trading through news is kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm all out at 37.
Nice.
In
Yeah,
at 97.
nice to
And
see.
then as soon as you exit, it kind of
You're like
popped a little more.
one,
No,
one, 1 point.
Yeah,
no, I didn't get the pop.
it's alright.
Nice trade, Alex.
Thank you.
Great
Nice.
trade.
30 minutes into the open, and we're
Yeah.
done. We'll take that.
I still have to make one more profitable day to withdraw 9K another.
Oh, nice.
So
Very nice.
Yeah, Monday will be that day.
Yeah, I got a pretty decent exit there on the last contract.
Yeah, a few of my friends might join the stock solution too.
Alright.
They responded me yesterday, and
That's cool.
yeah.
The more the merrier. Yeah, I'm really happy with this week, honestly.
Yep.
I don't think
Me
we
too.
didn't have. Do we have any losing trades this week? I don't remember.
I had a losing trade of $1,200.
Oh right, yeah, I did forget
So I
about
mean,
that.
but I mean, other than that, I mean, it's been a pretty solid week
It's been
though.
a good week, right? You recovered though, at least, right? Or at least
I recovered.
decently
I
recovered.
recovered. I think 500.
Nice.
So that's pretty solid. Alex, I do. If you have time, can you stay back and answer some questions really quick?
Mm-hmm.
All right, close. I'm gonna go pee though.
Yep. Yeah,
There
47
you go.
points on that last contract there. That's nice. Maybe we scaled out a little early, but it's alright. I'm okay with that. Yeah, I think it's all winners this week. Obviously, it's a lot lighter, but no, this week has been
Damn.
really solid.
I'll get you some.
Yeah, yeah, not really focusing on dollar amount to be honest. Even honestly, dollar amount still pretty good. Still quite good. Yeah, almost at least for me, almost 30K off 2/3 sizing. So it's really good week.
Yeah.
Really good week.
I would be every time that you talk.
Oh, you had a nice exit there, Samir. Nice. Yeah, like I said, upside target here is gonna be up to 80. We didn't even have 10 a.m. data yet, right? No, we didn't. We didn't even have data yet. Wow. Jet 2 Holiday. Jet 2 Holiday is the Love Island saying, or the lady, the Love Island lady. That nothing beats a Jet 2 Holiday, and right now, you can save 50 pounds per person. Don't ask me how I know that, but I know that. It's quite funny. Quite funny. Oh, yeah, there's our 80, by the way. Wow. Beautiful move there. Really, really nice move.
Maybe we should have held.
Yeah,
Jesus.
maybe we should have held.
I think it was my fault.
Maybe it was your fault. Yeah, we'll put the blame on you for this one.
You got more? My fucking God.
Yeah, it went straight to TP, the one that he called out. But we had news coming up, so I don't know where that was gonna go.
Yeah, we
Maybe
didn't.
it is my fault.
I can't tell if we moved off of it. It doesn't really look like it. We did pop a little bit, but
Because the move is already over.
yeah, it was a really nice target. Yeah, 680 there, filled the hourly imbalance, upper end of the range on the hourly structure, and then we also have 700 just like slightly above us, but yeah, relative strength across all tickers. So yeah, really, really, really nice move there. Quite happy with that. So